Hi everybody and welcome back to Epic Specials. Today I'm going to be finishing off the welding on the long nose, so seam welding the wings and grinding them all back so they look like one piece instead of lots of little bits pieced together, and going around and just finishing a few bits and bobs off on the bonnet. So let's crack on. Right, so that's the wings all done. All ground back, nice and smooth. So, no gaps now. Can't see any daylight. So when it comes to filling, it should be much easier now. At least the filler and stuff won't fall through the little gaps. And I've gone round and finished off the bonnet as well. So put quite a few more tacks along the edge just to secure it. Ground them all back. Same along the top. Everything's ground back. Ready for bodywork now. Probably can't tell, but I think I've managed to keep it fairly warp free. There is a horrible dent here unfortunately, but never mind. This side actually came out better. This looks pretty good just in the metalwork. But by the time all the fillers and paint's done, it should look perfect. So that's the long nose completed now. Next stage will just be bodywork. But we've got a few other bits to still finish off on the car. I've still got lots of grinding to do on the arches and things just to tidy those up. And I've still got to start on what I'm going to do with the rear lights. So please join me again next time. But if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.